Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT Note 9 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key. When you see your boot options, hold power off. This will then show you the reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. Obviously this will reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it will be in safe mode. Now I warn you, in safe mode only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled in order for you to be able to troubleshoot your device from this mode. And as you can see, the device now booted up. You can see that widgets don't work here, and yeah, I guess there's no other apps that I can show you that won't work. But anyway, this is how you would boot into safe mode, and to leave this mode you would need to simply hold your power key once more, and this time around just select restart, tap on it. This will reboot the device and go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.